Hello, sir. My name is Bomul Aditya Reddy, and the registration number is 19BC0853. And this course name is Microcontrollers and its application. And the program title is Task Force. And coming to the question, so write an 8051 assembly level program to transfer one. The given input is my SL number, registration number, and theory and this is all the questions for this task 4. Coming to the task 4A, aim to write an 8051 assembly level program to transfer your SL number, registration number will draw CWF interface diagram and calculate delay or count value for timer, serial, and interrupt programs in EC 3004 lab and theory cat and fat exam as data seriously at broad rate 9600 with 8-bit data, a one-step bit, and to observe the transmitted data in the serial window of the stimulator. Tools required in this program are scale software 8051, instructional set P89C51 RD2. Algorithm as given. Start from the program, given the data to the pointer, set timer 1 in the mode 2 and avoidant. Start timer 1, declare number of data to be transferred in R1 register. At last, stop the program. Coming to the flowchart, start given data to the pointer, set timer 1 and in mode 2 on baud rate and start the timer 1. So coming monitor the interrupt flag and keep clearing the flag. Repeat the same process till the data is entirely transmitted. So coming to the program code, I have given my registration number, my lab slot, and SL number, serial number, and Vellore Institute of Technology. So as I given my name in the input, so it appears as in same as in the output. So this is the tabulation form of this code. So memory addresses as given in the program and this tabulation are same. Each and everything is mentioned in this tabulation. Operands, addressing mode, use, mission cycle, required memory byte, required types of instruction, flags getting affected by the instruction. And as here show in the screen, so output is given as valid as lab slot, registration number, and my name. So as you see, this is the observation and result before execution. And after execution, you see that my name and the registration number will be visible in the output. So you can see that all this, my name and the registration number visible in this output. So coming to the inferences, find the period of the mission cycle for 11.059 microhertz crystal frequency. So the given is 11.0592 divided by 12 equal to 921.6 kilohertz. Mission cycle is 1 by 921.6 kilohertz is equal to 1.085 microseconds. Amount of memory required to store program in this memory is 25 bytes. And total amount of time required to do assembly level programming is 19 into 1.086 microseconds. That is equal to 20 into 60, 20 in dot 634 microseconds. Addressing modes used in this program is intermediate 4, register value 5, relative 3, indexed 2. Types of instruction used is data transfer 6, arithmetic 5, boolean 2. Flags, no flags are affected in this program. Result. Here the data given is observed in the serial communication window by transmitting character by character using an appropriate ALP. Coming to this task 4B, so the aim is to write an 8051 assembly language program to get your class SL number, lab theory slot, so data from the PC and display on it on P1. Tools required is scale software 8051, instruction set P89 C51 RD2, algorithm as given as shown in the screen. Okay, flowchart is as shown in this screen. Start from set timer 1 in the mode 2 and baud rate, and after that start the timer 1 and move the data to SUBF accumulator, move the accumulator value to port 1, keep clearing the flag. So coming to the flowchart, so this is the flowchart and this is the ASC2 table. So you can see every value, hexadecimal, octa, all the values in this table. So I took this table as a reference for this task. So coming to the program of this task 4B, this is the code as given. Given my name as in the input. So this is the tabulation form of this code. Each memory addresses and all the things are mentioned in this tabulation form. Okay. After this results and observation, So this is the before execution. This is the code before execution. So this is the output for 8 after execution for 8 and for 5. So as I given my registration number for 3 also. So my registration number is 853 at the last 3 digits. So this is the output as given in the input, same as given in the input inferences. Same machine cycle is equal to 1.085 microseconds, and the memory required to store this program in memory is 17 bytes. So addressing modes used is intermediate, immediate 3, register value 4, relative 1. Types of instructions used is data transfer 7, logical 1, boolean 2, arithmetic 1, and no flags are affected in this one. So result is here is a few digit AS2 values are taken from the PC and then displayed on port 1 by writing an ALP. So now coming to the task 4C. So the aim is to write 8051 ALP to get the data from the PC and display it on the LEDs in ASC2 values on the port 1 and port 2. The tools required as this task is Trail software, 8051 instruction set, P89C51 RD2. So algorithm as shown in the screen. And this is the flow chart. Start, set the timer 1 and mode 2 in the broad time. Start the timer, move the data SPUF to accumulate, move the accumulator value to port 1, move the accumulator value to port 2 and keep leading the flag and then stop. So as shown, same as table from task 4B as given in the task 4C also. So this as a reference I took in this task. So in the program 4C, I given my name as in the input and tabulation is for each memory addresses and label is given as my name Lalit, and these are the results and observations. So this is the code before execution, and this is the code after execution for the letter L, and this is the code execution for the letter A. This is the output for the code L, and also this is the code execution for I, and this is the output for T, and this is the for H. So this is for LALITH. This is my name Lalit. So these are the output for this name, and this is the inference. So the mission cycle is 1.085 microsecond. Amount to be stored for this memory is 13 bytes, and this total amount of time required is 11.946 milliseconds, microseconds. Sorry. Addressing most used in this is immediate 2, direct 2, register 2, relative 1. Types of instructions used is data transfer, branching 1, logical 1, arithmetic 1, boolean 1. So a flags affected is carry flag is affected in this program. So as you see, carry flag is affected. Result. Here the ASC2 values of letters in my name are obtained at the port 1 and port 2 by serial transmission by writing 8051 ALP in Kale software. So coming to the task 4D, aim to write an 8051 assembly level program to send the PC to the message on your name, registration number will upload all the tasks and DA to ETOP on time. So this is the aim. Tools required is Scale Software 8051 instructional set, P89 C51 RD2, and the algorithm as shown in the figure on the screen. So coming to the flowchart, this is the flowchart. Start, make P2 input port. So this is the flowchart. So the program is as shown in the screen. I given my name as an input. Okay. So I given my data as I Lalit 19BC will upload all the task and DA to the VTOP on time. This is the input I have given. So this is the message I have given in this code. So that this is the tabulation form, and this is each for memory byte and all this filled in the tabulation. So these are the result of the observation. This is before execution. This is hexadecimal mode. This is for eggs. So you can see that my name I Lalit will upload that all the task and DAs in wait upon time. So this is for AAC2 mode. So these are the inferences. Again, the mission cycle is 1.085 microseconds. The memory used in this is 24 bytes. Total amount of time required to assembly level programming is 17.376 microseconds. And addressing modes used is immediate 1, register 3, absolute 1, direct 5. Types of instructions used is data transfer 7, branching 1, logical 2. No flags are affected in this. So the result is the message I Lalit 19BC0853 will upload all the tasks and DA to beta upon time is being observed on the serial message window by writing 8051 ALP in the Kale software. So coming to this task 4E, aim to write a program to the send message I theory slot, theories serial number, your name, assure that I will answer all my ALP in tabular column with algorithm, manual calculation, and flowchart in CAT2 and turn and exam to serial port. Assume SW is connected to the pin P12. Tools required is scale software, 8051 instructional set, P89, C51 RD2, and the algorithm is as given on the screen. This is the flowchart as you see on this. So this is the program. So starting position, and this is the code given. As I given the message as I E2 slot, my slot is E2 and the serial number is 33. Assure you that I will answer all my ALP in tabular column with algorithm, manual calculation, flowchart in CAT2 and term and exam and on the end of the program. So tabulation has gone each and every memory byte, and these are the result of observation. So in this input I given as same as an input. So this is before execution and this is after execution, so that it as repeats as in this output also. You can see in the output. Coming to the inferences, mixture cycle 1.085 microseconds, and addressing modes used in this are, and the total amount time required to assembly level programming is 36.924 microseconds. Adding modes used in this immediate for direct file index 1. So coming this inferences, okay. So the data transfer types of instructions used is data transfer 10, branching 6, boolean 7, arithmetic 1. Flags affected. Carry flag affected, and in one case AC overflow also affected. So in this result, uh, hence to write an 8051 LP to get the data on I Lalit from E2 slots SL number 33, assuring you that I will answer all my LP from the memory location and send that through the serial port by assuming a SW is connected to pin P1, 2 and results are verified manually. So coming to the Viva question of task 2, so you can see one, this is the answer, and this is the manual calculation. 2, this is the question, and this is the tabulation from the question, and this is for the positive value output, and this is for the negative value output. This is for the negative. This is the manual calculation. Now, and this is for the third question, refer total time delay for the subroutine. So these are the answers for this Viva question for task 2. And this is the fourth question for my task Viva question 2. So this is the answer code, and this is the tabulation form. This is the answer. And coming to the fifth question, this is the answer. So this is for general purpose registers, and third one is program counter. Program counter holds the address value of the memory to the next instruction that is to be executed. So it is a 16-bit register. You can see a 16-bit register. And these are the answers. Fifth one, instruction decoded. And by comparing SJLP, LJMP, AJMP, so these are the differences in this. Coming to the sixth one, accumulator, general pause registers, and these are the register AX, BX, CX, DX, SP. These all the BP, SI, DI. These are all the registers used in this program. This is the program counter, flags, status flags, control flags, instruction decoder, all are used in this question. So XCHD, SWAP, XCH, all the differences are given in this table. So thank you for listening. This is my task 4. So you can understand by listening this way.